What's going on, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the most mind-blowing innovations that are literally reshaping our future. And before we dive into today's absolutely insane revelation, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because what I'm about to show you will completely blow your mind. Now, I've been covering robotics for years, but what I discovered this week has me genuinely speechless. We're talking about a breakthrough that could change everything we know about autonomous robots. Are you ready for this? Picture this scenario. You walk into a factory, and there's a humanoid robot working tirelessly, hour after hour, day after day, never stopping, never taking a break, never needing human assistance. Sounds like science fiction, right? Wrong. This is happening right now in China, and it's about to revolutionize the entire robotics industry. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Walker S2, the world's first truly autonomous humanoid robot that can work 24/7 without any human intervention. And when I tell you how it does this, you're going to lose your minds. All right, let's break this down because this is absolutely revolutionary. The Walker S2, created by Chinese tech giant UBTECH, has just solved the biggest problem that has been plaguing robotics for decades: the dreaded battery life limitation. Every robot we've ever seen has the same weakness. Eventually, it runs out of juice and needs to be plugged in or manually recharged. But the Walker S2? This absolute unit has completely eliminated that problem with the most ingenious solution I've ever seen. Here's where it gets crazy. When the Walker S2's battery starts running low, it doesn't call for help. It doesn't shut down. It doesn't wait for a human technician. Instead, it literally walks over to its charging station, by itself, removes its own battery, places it in the charger, grabs a fully charged battery, and slots it back into its own body. Let me repeat that because I know some of you are thinking there's no way that's real. This robot performs its own battery surgery. It's like watching a robot give itself a heart transplant. And it does it so smoothly you'd think it was just picking up a coffee cup. But wait, there's more. The engineers at UBTECH were smart enough to anticipate the obvious problem. What happens during those few seconds when the battery is out? Well, they solved that too. The Walker S2 actually has two batteries, so when it removes one, the second battery keeps it alive long enough to complete the swap. It's brilliant. This means, and I cannot stress this enough, we now have a robot that can theoretically work forever as long as there are charged batteries available. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. No breaks, no downtime, no human babysitting required. Now, let's talk about what this actually means for the real world, because the implications are absolutely staggering. First up, manufacturing. Imagine factories where these robots work around the clock, never getting tired, never making mistakes due to fatigue, never needing shift changes. We're talking about a level of productivity that humanity has never achieved before. The economic impact alone could be massive. But it's not just factories. UBTECH designed the Walker S2 for public interaction too. Think shopping malls, airports, hospitals, anywhere you need consistent, reliable service. A robot that never needs to go offline for charging could revolutionize customer service as we know it. And here's the thing that's keeping me up at night. This is just the beginning. If UBTECH can create a self-sustaining robot in 2024, what are we going to see in 2025? 2030? Are we looking at the start of a truly autonomous robotic workforce? Now, I know what some of you are thinking, and yes, there are still limitations. The robot needs access to a charging station and a supply of charge batteries. It's not completely independent yet. But think about how quickly technology evolves. Today it needs a charging station. Tomorrow it might have solar panels or wireless charging capabilities. What absolutely fascinates me is the engineering elegance here. Instead of trying to create better batteries or faster charging, UBTECH approached the problem from a completely different angle. They asked, what if the robot could change its own battery? And then they actually made it happen. This kind of lateral thinking is exactly what pushes technology forward, and it makes me incredibly excited about what other impossible problems might have simple, elegant solutions we just haven't thought of yet. If this breakthrough excited you as much as it excited me, you absolutely need to let me know in the comments below. Are you amazed by this technology, or does it concern you? Do you think we're heading toward a future where robots like this become commonplace? And seriously, if you found this video valuable, that like button would mean the world to me. It helps the YouTube algorithm show this content to other tech enthusiasts who would find it just as fascinating as you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm constantly covering breakthrough technologies like this. Hit that notification bell so you never miss when I drop new content about the innovations that are literally shaping our future. The Walker S2 represents something we've never seen before, a robot that can maintain itself and work indefinitely. Whether that excites you or terrifies you, one thing is certain. This technology is here, it's real, and it's only going to get more advanced. What do you think? Are we witnessing the dawn of truly autonomous robotics? Or is this just another cool tech demo? Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into even more mind-blowing innovations. Until next time, keep exploring the future